Imagine for a moment an asteroid the size of the moon heading straight for Earth. It's a terrifying thought, isn't it? The impact would be catastrophic, beyond anything we've ever experienced. The explosion would be like billions of nuclear bombs going off at once, wiping out everything in its path instantly. The aftermath would be just as devastating. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions would ripple across the globe, reshaping entire continents. The dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging our world into a dark, freezing winter that could last for years. Our ecosystems would collapse, and life as we know it would be threatened. But let's not get lost in despair. There's hope. Scientists around the world are working hard to track these space rocks and develop ways to deflect them. It's a reminder of the importance of investing in science and space exploration. While a moon-sized asteroid might be unlikely, smaller ones still pose a threat, and it's our responsibility to be ready.